Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. Get rid of that light there. Hope everybody's all right. We're in Kingston, Jamaica. Yes, we're out here doing some charity work. This morning, we're gonna cook some brown stew chicken. I'm not sure we're gonna cook with it yet, but yeah, let's cook some brown stew chicken in Jamaica. Let's go. So yeah, that's where I'm staying, people. We're in Jamaica. And this is my car at the end here. Oh, people, I hate driving this big car. But yeah, the first thing is we're gonna go to the supermarket and get the food. That is it. That is it, people. I think there's a supermarket up that way. So yeah, we're gonna go up to the supermarket. Constant Spring Road. First thing we're gonna need is some chicken. Best dressed chicken. It's the best one in Jamaica. I've got some thighs. Yeah. Get some green banana. Yeah. And get some Irish potato as well. Yeah. Irish. Have you ever seen a jamosa? A Jamaican samosa. All right. That is it, people. There's my shopping in there. Got a few bits. Let's go and cook some food. That is it. Yeah. Brown stew chicken in the morning with some Irish potato. Yeah. That is it, people. A little shop. Let's see what we got. So, water. We need water in the house. I'm a man who likes snacks. We've got these red hot, I like spicy chips. Got some little cereal. Take back for the kids then. Some little festival cookies. Gonna take back for the kids then. My daughter, she loves these. So take back them for her. We've got some seasoning, some chicken seasoning. Some meat seasoning. Yeah. What else we got in here? We've got more snacks there. Little cheese, like cheese snacks, crisp things. More cereal. Scotch bonnet. We need the Scotch bonnet. More seasoning. More seasonings. Got these little kid drinks. I know I'm like a kid, man, but I love these little juices. Cherry ice, bad. Got some little black pepper. More drinks. And more seasoning. What else we got in here? All right, a couple more snacks here. Some shortcake biscuits. One more juice here. What's this one? Cherry pineapple. All right. We got some little pepper shrimp. We got a sour sop. Yeah, that needs like a one more day to ripen. We got scallion. We got some. I've got this juice, tang juice. You just add water, and that's it. Browning, because it's brown stew chicken. Green banana. Some Irish potatoes, some soup mix to take home, oil, because we need oil, onion, June plum, and the chicken. Yeah, that is it, people. That is my little shop from Jamaica. I know it don't look that healthy over this side, but this side is a bit more healthier. So yeah, let's start seasoning up the chicken, first thing. Yeah. All right, people. Chicken is ready to go. So I'm gonna season it with one of these chicken, one of these all-purpose, maybe two of them actually. And then we've got our browning over here. And yes, that's just the seasoning we're gonna use for now. That is it, people. Chicken seasoned. I'm gonna go in for a little bit of browning. Not too much, Really cool. Yeah. That is it. That is it, people. Brown stew chicken in the morning. We are in Kingston, Jamaica. Let me show you outside my door quickly. One sec. Yes, people. Good vibes, man. We'll go outside and catch some views in a second. Yeah, let's get this chicken on. So first of all, I'm gonna brown up the chicken for like 5-10 minutes. Obviously put the oil in, and then we're gonna add the onions, scallion, and All right, we dash in some brown onion now. And we'll chop up some scallion and put it in there. All right, we just like, well, make that settle now. I ain't gonna put the Scotch bonnet in yet, but we'll soon get the potatoes then ready for boil, the Irish and the green banana. That is it. Let me show you outside, people. That is it. It's a go on, man. Scotch bonnet goes in. Good vibes. Now it's time to peel up the Irish and the green banana. So I'm just chopping up my green banana now. I've got my Irish potato already in there. Just need to wash them. You know what I'm saying? Brown stew chicken. Obviously, once we fried it off for the 5 minutes, in 5 to 10 minutes, you just turn the heat down and you just build the juice and everything just builds from there, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we got our green banana. That is it. Wash up these and put them on. We're soon ready. Yeah, put little vegetable oil in there so the green bananas don't go black. That is it. Food I cook. Whoa! Side. Yes, people. Here we are. Good vibes. That's my little room in there. Yeah. So this is called Oaklands. This little estate thing. It's like a nice little estate. So basically out there is like the main road. Out there is the main road. So it's like really easy to get to everything. We're in like the main part of Kingston, uptown, but it's like on the main strip kind of thing. But yeah, I think Bounty Killer's still got a house in here. A couple big artists have got houses in here still. Yeah, good vibes. That is it, people, we're ready. Brown stew chicken, Irish potato, green banana, little breakfast thing. I'm going out today to do some more works for the charity. So yeah, good vibes, people, that is it. Final product. You know what I'm saying? Brown stew chicken, Irish potato, green banana, cooked in Jamaica, fresh food from Jamaica. That is it. There's nothing better than cooking some Jamaican food in Jamaica with fresh Jamaican ingredients and seasonings and everything, you know what I'm saying? Yes. Taste time, people. Let's go in with some Irish first. Oh, that juice is good, man. That juice is good. Chicken. There's just something different about the ingredients, and even like the fresh chicken in Jamaica. You know what I'm saying? No farm bred chicken. Even the green bananas, man, they're just so different over here. Beautiful. Lovely breakfast. Goodbye, people. Time to work. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing. Press that like button. Get that video moving. We're in Jamaica. We're active.